Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I want to share with you how I shine and protect the engine bay and the bumper in my car with this product. That's right. So, stay tuned. The video is coming up after this. Alright, this is a Honda CR-V 2005, and as you can see, the bumper doesn't look very good. You see this area? It's gray. Yeah, it's losing color. So this is the product that I have been using for almost a year, and the last time that I used it was 6 months ago. Before washing the car, I'm going to clean up the engine bay. Alright, so let's blow some air to remove the dust. Now that the dust is gone, it's time to clean up the engine and make it shine. And now I'm going to use a clean rag to clean up the engine and make it shiny. Alright, as you can see, this part of the video is almost done. The engine bay looks very good. It's clean and shiny. Now it's time to wash the car. Okay folks, don't worry. I'm not here to teach you how to wash your car. But instead, I would like to recommend this product. That's right. I have been using this soap on my cars since the beginning of the year, and it works very well. So let me tell you more about this product. Exceptional cleaning on every exterior surface, including paint, glass, wheels, and trim. Safely removes dried on dirt and grime. Adds a glowing shine to all cars and trucks. Also, you can try this product on exterior of house, decks, and lawn furniture. Boats, RVs, ATVs, and lawn mowers. Can be used with pressure washer, as you can see in this video. Now, why do I like it? Well, because after washing the car, I won't have to wax it. That's right. That is because this formula contains wax in it, so all you have to do is to wash it and dry it. Alright, so now it's time to clean the bumper with this new product. I hope you like it. Alright, as you can see, this product is already showing a new finish gloss on the bumper. Apply as many times as needed. As you can see, the bumper is looking very good now. You might have to do the same process 2 or 3 times until you get the results that you're looking for. Alright, this part on the bottom of the car is already done. And now I'm gonna work in this section. Alright, so far it's looking very good. But as you can see, this area looks terrible. So let's see how we can make it look better. Okay, so let's start in this corner and see the final results. It's not too bad. I like it. If you see those drops there on the bumper, it's because it's a little bit of raining that is coming down right now. It's not too bad. Anyway, as you can see, the bumper in most part of it looks very good. Now let's see the handles. Yeah, looks very good. Now let's check the mirror. Okay, it looks fine. Now remember, in this part of the bumper was looking terrible. And look now, looks pretty good to me. Now there are some areas like that corner and this corner. It doesn't look very good. So I might need to apply this product again, maybe 1 or 2 times. Over there too. And there. You see? It's still looking gray. But I can fix that, no problem. As you can see, the handles again and the plastic in the middle section looks fine. And look at the bottom. Looks very clean, very nice. Okay, my car is clean and protected. If you try this product, let me know what results you get. That's right. And just so you know, I don't get any commission from these products. I just want to share this with you. I hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe. Until the next time. Bye bye.